All right, let's get into this because the internet is going crazy right now. Code leaked from Google's own repos, screenshots claiming Gemini 3.0 beats everything, and rumors about features that sound too good to be true. So what's actually happening here? I spent the last few days digging through commit logs, leaked benchmarks, and Reddit threads to figure out what's real, and let me tell you, some of this stuff is legit exciting, but some of it total hype. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to believe and what to ignore. Plus, I'll show you the one feature that could change everything if it's real. Before we dive into the leaks, you need to understand where Gemini is today. Google's been quietly rolling out some crazy updates that nobody's talking about. First off, Gemini Live is now free on Android and iOS. That means you can use your camera and share your screen while talking to the AI. Think about that for a second. You can literally show Gemini what you're looking at and have a conversation about it for free. That's already wild. There's also a temporary chat mode coming, basically ephemeral chats that don't save to your history. Great if you're working with sensitive info. Now here's where the leak stuff starts, because buried in Google's code, people found something interesting, references to Gemini Beta 3.0 Pro and Gemini Beta 3.0 Flash. That's not an accident. That's Google testing new models internally. And when code references leak, it usually means something's coming soon. But let me be clear, this is speculation based on code. It's not confirmed by Google yet, so everything I'm about to tell you could change. All right, here's where things get interesting. Multiple sources found Gemini Beta 3.0 Pro and Gemini Beta 3.0 Flash in Google CLI repos. This isn't some random tweet. This is actual code that developers can inspect. Flash is faster and cheaper. Pro is more powerful, but costs more. So we're probably looking at two versions of Gemini 3.0. Makes sense, right? Now let's talk about the benchmark screenshots. People are sharing images claiming Gemini 3.0 scores higher than GPT-5. Here's my take. Be skeptical. Benchmark leaks happen all the time before launches. Sometimes they're marketing stunts. Sometimes they're real, but cherry-picked. The problem is we don't know the methodology. What tasks were tested? What prompts were used? Without that info, these scores mean nothing. Don't trust screenshots without verification. Now, here's where the leaks get really exciting. People are speculating about much larger context windows. We're talking double or triple the current size. That would let Gemini handle entire books in one conversation. Imagine uploading a 300-page document and asking questions about it, or analyzing your entire code base at once. And honestly, it makes sense, because every major AI company is racing to expand context windows. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, everyone's doing it. Then there's the multimodal integration rumors. Right now, Gemini can handle text, images, and video. But supposedly, 3.0 will mix them way more smoothly. Like you could edit a photo while talking about it, or ask Gemini to change a video based on your conversation. Real-time back and forth with visual content. If that's true, it's a huge leap forward. But here's the leak that got me excited. Stronger coding and tool use. The rumors say Gemini 3.0 will write code better than anything else. Plus, it will integrate with external tools seamlessly. Think about what that means for developers. An AI that can write code, debug it, and connect to APIs automatically. That's not just helpful, that's a productivity multiplier. Now let's talk about device integration. There are leaks about something called Camera Coach. It would work on Pixel phones. Basically, Gemini would guide you in real time while you're taking photos. It would suggest framing, lighting, and composition, like having a professional photographer in your pocket. That's the kind of feature only Google can build because they control the hardware. You're taking a photo of your product for your business. Camera Coach tells you to move left, adjust the lighting, tilt the angle. You get a professional quality shot without hiring a photographer. That's real value right there. Now let's talk money. There are also leaks about new subscription tiers. Supposedly, Google is testing something called AI Premium Plus or Pro tiers. Right now, you can use Gemini for free or pay for Gemini Advanced. But these leaks suggest more options coming. Maybe different tiers for different use cases. But here's what nobody's talking about. More subscription tiers could mean features get locked behind paywalls. So the free version might stay limited, while the good stuff costs money. Look, if you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation right now, check out my AI Profit Boardroom at the link in the description. It's the best place to learn how to use AI to get more customers and grow faster. We go way deeper than these YouTube videos, and you get access to advanced training, templates, and a community of people actually building with AI. Let's get real about what these features would actually do. If Gemini 3.0 has much larger context windows, here's what changes. You could give it your entire business documentation, every process, every workflow, every policy, and then just ask questions. No more digging through files. The AI knows everything about your business. That's massive for entrepreneurs and teams. Now think about the multimodal stuff. If you can edit images and videos through conversation, content creation becomes way faster. You could literally describe what you want and watch it happen. No more learning complicated software. No more hours in Photoshop or Premiere. Just tell the AI what to do. Let's say you're making a YouTube thumbnail. Instead of opening Photoshop and spending an hour on it, you just tell Gemini what you want. Make the background darker, add red text here, make my face bigger. Done in minutes. The coding improvements are huge too. If 3.0 can handle entire projects and integrate tools, you could build full applications with AI. That means non-technical people can suddenly create software. You just describe what you want, and the AI builds it. Think about all the business ideas you've had but couldn't execute because you don't know how to code. Now, you can build them. You describe your app idea to Gemini, and it writes the code, you test it, give feedback, and iterate. That's powerful. But here's the thing you need to understand. You still need to know what you're building. The AI is a tool, not a replacement for thinking. Now, the big question, can Gemini 30-beat GPT-5? The honest answer. We don't know yet. Both are still unreleased. So it's rumor versus rumor. What matters more is the race itself. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, all pushing boundaries. Whether Gemini wins or not doesn't matter. What matters is that AI is evolving fast, and you should be using it now, not waiting for a perfection. Some leaks are likely real code references, context, window upgrades, multimodal boosts, and features like camera coach or subscription tiers. But the real takeaway, this is the direction AI is heading. Bigger context, better multimodal ability, device integration, and real-time assistance. The future is coming fast. So what should you do? First, don't wait. Use AI. Now build systems, create content, automate work. Winners aren't those with the best tools. They're the ones who use them. Second, stay informed, but act. A new model will always be coming. You can keep waiting. Third, focus on fundamentals. What problems are you solving more? Customers, better content, faster workflows. Define that first, then use AI to fix it. Here's the truth. Most people miss the real opportunity is in being early. Most businesses still don't use AI effectively. Start now, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people. Building skills and systems that compound over time. Action steps. Subscribe. I'll track every major AI update for you. Comment below. Tell me which Gemini 30 leak excites you most. Join the free AI Money Lab. 50+ tools. 200+ ChatGPT, SEO prompts, AI agents workflows, and a free AI community for serious builders. Join AI Profit Boardroom, advanced training templates, and automation strategies to scale your business. Bottom line, Gemini 30 might be revolutionary or just overhyped, but AI is changing everything. Don't watch from the sidelines. Build, learn, act. That's how you win.